I am Dilip and I'll be the first Indian to set sail for the solo circumnavigation on 19th of August in my sailboat, Madai. I'll be starting from Bombay and heading towards Western Australia, Fremantle to be precise. From Fremantle, go to Christchurch, south of New Zealand. From there, south of America, crossing the Cape Horn to Port Stanley, Falklands. From there to Cape Town, and from Cape Town back to Bombay. Basically, go from west to east. I'll be going in a sailboat, and there is a famous saying that sailboats have destinations, they don't have ETAs. So my speed entirely depends on the strength and angle of the winds I get. But I hope to finish the entire trip, including the stoppages, in about 9 months. This is the first time any Indian is trying to do this sort of circumnavigation. So the boat was also built, custom built for this project at Goa, and she was built out of a wooden core which is laminated with fiberglass. She's a 56-footer sailboat, a proper yacht, and she's equipped with all sorts of state-of-the-art navigation and communication facilities. So the boat was built by Aquarius Fiberglass in Goa. It's the first of her kind built in the country and the first of her kind built by the boatyard. It remains to be seen how the sea treats me and how the boat behaves. We did a trip to Mauritius and came back from there. So we sailed the boat for more than 6,500 miles so far, out of which 2,300 miles has been solo. Went to winds up to 40 knots of winds. As we go in the Southern Ocean, the winds will be maybe 50-60 knots. Waves will be about 6 to 7 meters. So far we've seen about 5 meters of waves. So we'll see how the sea treats us and how we survive the whole ordeal actually. The most difficult part of the trip probably will be crossing the Cape Horn, which is about where you have to go down about 56 degrees south. So you are, not only is the weather bad, it is cold. You're worried about colliding with icebergs. The entire idea of the project was conceived by one retired Admiral Auty. He retired from the Navy in 1983 and has been wanting the Navy and the country to do something like this, something spectacular in the maritime domain. I'll be back next year around May with my boat, and we'll see you that time, and there will be a lot of stories to swap about what I went through over a period of 9 months.